Hi everyone, my name is Rajendra Mahindra and today I am going to speak about a small but interesting topic about cloud computing. Nowadays, cloud is a buzzword and every company is evaluating various cloud options to save on infra costs, increase efficiency in operations and management, better access for a distributed workforce, etc. But there are few challenges which also need to be considered and addressed along the way while you are thinking about migrating to cloud. The first challenge about migration to cloud is compatibility. Every cloud provider has a proprietary or standard framework in which existing client applications might not fit in as it is. So lift and shift model won't work every time. You need to decide which applications can migrate to cloud versus which applications has to stay on premises. You can either club similar type of applications in a container and migrate them to cloud, or move the front end to cloud while backend stays on-prem for few applications, or completely rewrite the applications from scratch to make it cloud compatible based on what is your appetite. The second challenge is security. While cloud providers are responsible for securing their own cloud infra, you need to secure your applications on premises, in transit, and inside the cloud by investing more into tools like firewalls, malware protection, antivirus, secure web gateways, web filtering, encryption, data loss prevention, etc. The third challenge is redundancy. Based on the budget, you need to think of optimum redundancy within your infra to ensure high availability. This can be in terms of server clusters, network device clusters, virtual segmentations, availability zones, regions, or redundant WAN links, etc. Also, an important thing to consider is to build your application on open standard so that it's portable from one cloud provider to other if required. The fourth challenge is about bandwidth costs. Many applications are bandwidth intensive, and so you need to consider bandwidth cost while you are migrating them from your DC to cloud. While migrating applications, and if you purchase insufficient bandwidth to access them, can result into slowness in accessing those applications and leading to negative user experience and resistance in adopting them. The fifth challenge could be old staff, which might not be comfortable in accepting changes in their regular way of working. To summarize or to address this, cautiously build migration strategy, management buy-in at each step, hiring right technical support staff, and investing in employee trainings can address this to a large extent, but definitely will add cost to your overall migration efforts. So to summarize, we saw a few challenges while migrating to cloud. I hope you like this video. See you later in my next video on similar topics. Happy learning.